This is what the cap construction look like. And of course you get that drawstring in the back so that you can adjust it, and they also kept the built-in adjustable strap. Oh, wow. So just putting this on, this wig looks good. Look at this wig straight out the box. Like today I really wanted to show you guys how to blend the lace. And I probably will still show you guys how to blend the lace with your skin, but straight out the box, it's like, what am I gonna teach you guys? Straight off top, I don't really need to do much to this wig. It's absolutely gorgeous when it comes to the hairline. The curl pattern is really pretty. So this is what the ear area look like. It does fit around the ear. Take that drawstring and pull it, tighten it up. And then of course I like to tuck the comb. So overall, I feel like the hairline and everything out the box is really pretty. I like the way it was easy to apply. So that's the pros about this hair.